Update from Indian Centre in Netherlands, ICEN new laws and regulations for entrepreneurs in the Netherlands 2025 and 2026. The Indian Centre in Netherlands, ICEN, brings you an important update on new laws and regulations that will affect entrepreneurs across the Netherlands starting in 2025 and 2026. Stay informed and prepared for these changes. Income tax and deductions. Starting in 2026, income tax brackets and rates will be adjusted. Additionally, the self-employed deduction will be reduced, impacting freelancers and independent entrepreneurs. VAT and vehicle taxes. VAT on overnight stays will rise from 9% to 21%, affecting the hospitality sector. The motor vehicle tax, MRB, rules will change, including the removal of the quarter tariff. While MRB discounts for sustainable vehicles, electric and zero-emission cars will continue, BPM tax rates will increase based on co-emissions. Hiring and employment. Hiring possibilities for people with disabilities will improve with new incentives. However, the Older Worker Tax Credit, LKV, for employees aged 56 and above will be discontinued for new hires. Employers will also no longer be able to deduct housing costs directly from wages. Cash payments and digital communication. Starting in 2026, cash payments above €3,000 will be prohibited as part of anti-money laundering measures. Furthermore, government communication will increasingly shift to digital formats as the standard. Key business and tax updates. The fuel excise tax discount for gasoline, diesel, and LPG will be extended until 2027. Transfer tax for investment properties, non-owner-occupied, will be lowered. Companies using more than 300 cubic meters of water will face higher water usage taxes. BOR and DSR tax schemes will apply only to ordinary shares with at least 5% ownership. Other compliance changes. Childcare providers must now report serious incidents to the GGD. Crypto service providers must share customer data with the tax authority. The number of retail locations allowed to sell tobacco products will be reduced. Large heating or cooling systems in buildings will require mandatory GAC software for energy monitoring. The surcharge on disposable plastic cups and containers will be removed. These updates will influence business costs, taxes, staffing, and planning.